Hello guys, welcome to the info channels. I am Ranga from securityguardexam.com. Today in this video, I am going to give you the 44 important questions and their answer for the security guard exam for licensing purpose. Number 1. A person refused to source on the entering the establishment. What should you do? Number A. Make the telephone call to the boss and ask for the pass. Move the person to the waiting room and wait for the further instruction. Deny access, record personal detail and report occurrences. The correct answer is D. Deny access, record personal detail and report occurrences. If anyone refuses to source at the security point, you can deny the access, record the personal detail and report to occurrences. Number 2. Common prohibited items in the airport are radio equipments, B. Flammable gases and liquid gel. Number C. Furniture. The correct answer is flammable gases and liquid. In the airport, these are the prohibited items. Number 3. Common prohibited items in the national border are camera and recording devices, untaxed car and boats, unauthorized goods. The correct answer is unauthorized goods. Number 4. If you handle the confiscated item, what provisions should be taken? Number A. Use the notebook. Number B. Use the sunglasses to ensure the good eyesight in the sun. Number C. Wear the gloves to prevent contamination of the evidence. If you confiscate any items on the shores, so you have to wear the gloves to prevent the contamination of the evidence. So C is the correct answer. Number 5. Should you secure the confiscated item? Yes, no, depends on what it is. Yes. Number 6. Who can sort the female visitor? A. Anyone in the source team. B. A female sorcerer only. C. Male police. The correct answer is B. A female sorcerer only. Number 7. The critical threat is constant threat. How should we expect it to respond them mostly? A. First aid. B. Firemen. C. Police. The correct answer is C. Police, because the critical threat should be handled by the police. Number 8. Why might be the airport key target for the terrorist attacks? A. High value asset with a lot of collaterals. B. Planes and easy to target. C. You just walk on. Okay, the correct answer is A. High valuable asset and a lot of collaterals. Number 9. What does ICAO stand for? Number A. Institute of the Characterized Aviation Operators. Number B. Introducing the challenging area outside. Number C. International Civil Aviation Organization. Okay, the correct answer is C. International Civil Aviation Organization. ICAO stand for International Civil Aviation Organization. It is the correct answer. Number 10. What specific threat to airport are there? Okay, terrorism, organized crime, sabotage, cyber attacks. Number B. Petty crime, pickpocket, illegal baggage. Number C. Bad weather, traffic problems and natural disaster. The correct answer is A. Terrorism, organized crime, sabotage and cyber attacks. Number 11. What health and safety issue or security staff need to consider at the airport? Number A. Noise, jet exhaust, fuel spillage. Number B. No toilet, no cafe, no first aid. Number C. Slippery floor, long walkways. Okay, the correct answer is noise, jet exhaust, fuel spillage. Number 12. Airport security enhanced by wearing ID, access and use of key and locks. These are the internet, B. Technology and C. Fahrenheit. The B is the correct answer because these are the technology. Number 13. Airport security uses area of responsibility to manage specific threat known to what? Number A. Cells. Number B. Parts. And number C. Zones. Number C. Zone is the correct answer. Number 14. Security zones are split into the two parts in the airport. What are these? Number A, aerodromes and building. Number B, airside and terminal. Number C, airfield and shop. Okay, the correct answer is airside and terminals. These are the airport security zones. Number 15, airport security consists several agencies: police and airline staff, custom and border control, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above, because in the airport there are the police department, airline staff, custom and border control. So the correct answer is C, all of the above. Number 16, beside passenger check, what other important steps maintain airport security? A, duty free, B, costa, C, baggage check. The correct answer is baggage check. Number 17, the CCTV is faulty in your ship. What should fill out? When there is a CCTV fault, what you should fill out? Daily checklist. Number B, personal notebook. Number C, CCTV maintenance and faulty report log. Okay, the correct answer is CCTV maintenance and faulty report log. If there is a CCTV fault, so you should fill this form. Number 18, what must visitor control room fill out? A, control room visitor log. B, daily visitor sheet. C, health and safety awareness sheet. Number A, control room visitor log is the correct answer, because if visitor they visit the control room, they have to sign in the visitor log. Number 19, two reasons for patrolling. Why we patrol? Number A, protection of life and prevent loss and waste. B, protection of property and protection of life. C, prevent and deter crime. A is the correct answer, protection of life and prevent loss and waste. Number 20, how to record the description of vehicles? Shape, wheel, how many passengers? Okay, A is the correct answer. Number 21, how to record the description of person? Evaluation of the height, shoe and watch. What is the correct one? A, we evaluate the height of the persons to write the description of that person. Number 22, the purpose of the traffic management plan is maintain the safety of all vehicle and person in the site, keep traffic following in the same direction. C, stop staff from leaving the car anywhere in the site. D, keep lorries and cars separate. The correct answer is A, maintain the safety of all vehicles and person in the site. Number 23, reading the traffic management plan normally include the following. Number A, member of the staff who are allowed to park in the site, traffic access permission. Number C, security officer shift timing. The correct answer is traffic access permissions. In the traffic management plan, you will find the traffic access permissions. Number 24, reading the traffic management plan normally include the following information. Site rush hour, stop timing. C, hour of operation of NT hours. Okay, in the traffic management plans, here is one point that is included is C, hours of operation of NT hours. Number 25, what is included in the traffic management plans? Okay, it is also another question that relates to the traffic management. Number A, parking bicycle. Number B, parking timing. Number C, parking location and restriction. The correct answer is parking location and restriction. Number 26, what does FHAR? Number A, fully automated hydraulic robots. Number B, Federation of Handling Animal and Rescue. Number C, Federal Authority for Human Resources. The correct answer is Federal Authority for Human Resources. Number 27, what is the responsibility of hotel security guard? A, carrying the suitcase and baggage of the hotel guest. Number B, salute the customer. Number C, protecting people, property from damage and illegal activities. Number C is the correct answer. Number 28, visitor security screening means. Number A, a valid ID or ticket not under influence of the alcohol. B, checking the closed circuit camera. Number C, door open for the participant. The correct answer is a valid ID or ticket not under influence of the alcohols is the correct answer in the visitor screening at the special event. Number 29. What hazards could be at the special event? Number A. A locked drain and toilet. Number B. People making the noise. Number C. Severe weather, structural failure, hazardous materials and violence. Correct answer is C. Severe weather, structural failure, hazardous materials and violence could be the hazards in the special event. Number 30. What is the security zones in the special event? Okay, number A. Somewhere safe for the security guard and the customers. Number B. An area to conduct the people's search. Number C. Event participant zone. Okay, the correct answer is event participant zone is one of the zone that is defined as the special event. Number 31. An example of the access control is waving flag and barrier, regular patrol and gate. Okay, the example of the access control is gate. Number 32. Who are the security staff answerable to at the special event? Number A. The security supervisor. Number B. Police. Number C. Private security organization department. Okay, please. The correct answer is A. The security supervisor is a responsible person to answer any security questions in the special event. Number 33. Which following is defined of the risks? Flood, slip, trip and hazardous materials, likelihood of the accident, incident, near miss, cause of the injury and damaged property. Number C. Storm and snow. Okay, the risk is defined likelihood of the accident, incident, near miss, cause of the injury and damaged properties. B is the correct answer of this question. 34. Which of the following activities should not do in the building evacuation? Use the elevators. Number B. Help others including people of determination. Number C. Move out of the building calmly. Okay, when you conduct the building evacuation, that time you should not use the elevators because it can jam, the people can trap in the elevators. Number 35. What should be considered when selecting the assembly point? Number A. It should be located outside the next to the building. Number B. There should be a place the fire extinguisher at the assembly point. Number C. There should be the enough distance from the building to prevent the damage from falling debris. Okay, the correct answer is C. There should be the enough distance from the building to prevent the damage from the falling debris. Number 36. One of the principles while searching with the team. Number A. Maintain the cordon around the building to be searched. Number B. Turn light off when finished search with the building. Number C. Search all the people in and out of the building. Okay, the correct answer is A. Maintain the cordon around the building to be searched. Number 27. Any paperwork should be submitted to commanding officer of the camp and building. Number B. Control room communication loggers. Number C. Canteen manager. Okay, the correct answer is control room communication loggers. You should submit the paperwork to them. 38. Before conducting any patrol, what should you do with your radio? Okay, number A. Radio check to the control room. Number B. Change battery. Number C. Turn off radio. Okay, when you are conducting the patrol, you have to check your radio back to the control room whether it is working, whether the control room getting the signal or message. So correct answer is A. Radio check to the control room. Number 39. Paperwork should be number A. Presented to the public to read. Number B. Filled correctly in the control room. Number C. Shredded. The correct answer is filled correctly in the control room. 40. When you are on the patrolling, you should report back to the control room. Mental health. Number B. Location. Number C. Weather condition. The correct answer is location. You have to report your location to the control room when you are in patrol. Number 41. When you patrolling in the building in a dark area, you should carry. What you have to carry if there is a dark? Number A. Flashlight and torch. B. Telephone. C. Night viewing goggles. Well, the correct answer is flashlight and torch. Number 42. Reason for patrols: protect life, protection of wildlife. Number C. Protection of event. The correct answer is protection of life. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you think this video is helpful for you or for any other people, so you can share this video. If you have not subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and bye for now. See you on the next video.